Hello, in this video we are going to look at expanding special binomial products. So we're going to use this special pattern to expand these types of problems. Okay, first thing is a lot of mistakes students make if they were to expand something like this, they would think, okay, a squared plus b squared. Or if it's something like this, a squared take b squared. Simple. But that is not right. This is the pattern. So a plus or minus b squared is going to be a squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. So depending on whether you've got a plus here or a minus is going to change the sign in between these first two terms, okay? So let's go. Expanding this one. So first thing is to recognize that this has a special pattern, a perfect squares pattern. So let's align it with that pattern. A plus b squared. And let's write the full pattern. It should expand to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Since this sign's a plus, this is going to be a plus. So then we realize, okay, let's align it. A is x and b is 5. So I'm just going to write that beside it. And we're just going to substitute into it. If a is x, then we'll have that plus 2 times x times 5, since that's a and b, right? Just substituting in. And plus b squared, so plus 5 squared. Okay. And now we just simplified a bit. X squared plus, 2 times 5 is 10x plus 25. So that one is done. It's expanded. Can't simplify it any further. What about this one? X takes 7 in brackets squared. Again, that's a perfect square. So we've got a pattern we can use. We can say a take b squared. Okay, and that aligns to a squared that expands to a squared take 2ab plus b squared. Notice how there's a subtraction in between those first two terms now. That's because of this, all right? If the term there is subtract, it's going to be take away. Now, we've got our pattern and we need to just align it. We're going to say, okay, a is x and b is 7 in that case. And then we are just going to substitute. A is x, so we're going to have x squared take 2 times a times b, so 2 times x times 7, plus b squared, 7 squared. Now let's simplify that a bit. X squared take 2 times 7, which is 14, x plus 7 squared is 49. So that's expanded. And now this final one, a bit more of a difficult one, but it's all right. So we know that it's a special binomial product. It aligns with this perfect squares pattern. So we're going to write a take b squared, and that expands to a squared take 2ab plus b squared. There's a subtraction sign in between those first two terms, okay? Now we are just going to align it. So this time a is 3x, b is 10y. Okay, so we're going to substitute that in now. We're going to say, okay, a is 3x. Now it's important to substitute with brackets. You'll see why soon. So take 2 times a times b. So a is 3x times b, which is 10y, plus b squared. Again, with brackets, particularly those first and last terms, okay? And now, think back to your index laws. If there's a number in brackets and you need to raise both of these numbers to that power, so it's going to expand to 3 squared x squared take, okay, 2 times 3 is 6 times 10 is 60 xy plus, okay, both these numbers need to be raised to the power of 2. So 10 squared y squared. Can we simplify it any further? Yes. 3 squared is 9x squared take 60xy plus 10 squared is 100 y squared. Can't simplify it any further. That is all the questions. But in the next video, we're going to look at solving quite a few different types of quadratics, and I will show you how to solve these perfect squares. So this one is difference of two squares, and this one is perfect squares. So I'll cover actually solving these types of equations in the next video, okay? So I will see you then.